Hey everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I've got a quick project to share with you. The little girl, my goddaughter's little girl, my daughter is her nanny, and she absolutely loves the garbage truck. And the garbage men are so sweet. And every time they come down to her cul-de-sac, they beep the horn so she has time to, my daughter has time to bring her out, and she waves at them and she's all excited. So I wanted to make something for her to give them for Valentine's Day. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back with it. There are 2 guys in the truck, so I made 2. I'm trying to show them from different angles, and if the die is still available, I will link it in the description box for you. These little ovals here, the regular oval and then the scalloped oval, are punches from Stampin' Up! And I think they have something similar, but these are old ones. So I don't know if they're still carrying this design. And this is a die that I purchased from AliExpress. It comes with the die that punches out the window, so you could do it with or without a window. And then it has a little frame, and it has some extra bits that go with it. But I just did the basic design. I used a paper from Knitwit Collections, and I will try to link that for you. I'm not exactly sure which program or which file I pulled it from. So if I can figure that out, I will link it for you. I love their digital papers. I print them all the time. I have a very inexpensive HP printer that I got from Walmart. And I put it on the highest quality setting, and it prints out really nice. Absolutely love it. I have the HP program where I pay, I think they increased it to like $11 or $11.99 or something like that a month, and I get 300. I can print up to 300 sheets, and anything that I don't use rolls over for me to the next month. And they do have less expensive programs that I think they're like $7 now. They were $5. I think they're $7. And that one you can print up to 100 sheets. So I mean, you can print just about anything that you want. Absolutely love it. My little girl Mariah loves Avengers. I have printed out more Avenger pictures than I care to count. So I mean, I can really print out anything I want. And if I use all my ink up in the first 150 pages or whatever, they send me more, and it doesn't cost me a dime. I absolutely love the program and highly recommend it. I will try to link it for you. And so this is what I made. I just put a sheet of acetate in here for the little window. It holds 6 Hershey Kisses. And I have a video, and I will try to link it for you as well, where you can make something similar to this without this top piece right here, and you don't need a die at all. It's just a matter of cutting the paper the right size and folding it the right size. So I will try to link it for you, but I found this on AliExpress and really thought it was cute. It goes together really fast. It is 2 pieces that go together, and it's done. I've got the little window on both sides. I could have done it just on one and kept it solid in the back. So absolutely love it. Let's see, it is 5.5 inches by 1 inch by about 2 3/4 inches tall, I'm guessing. But I absolutely love how it turned out, and I know Elsa is going to be over the moon being able to give this to the garbage men tomorrow. And I just used my publisher program and put Happy Valentine's Day from Elsa for the little tag. And so you can decorate the top of this any way you want. There's enough space there to really make a cute little scene or put a really pretty embellishment. But I just kept it plain and simple because, you know, they're men. They would rather have the Hershey Kisses than the packaging, I figure. So I hope that they like it. And I know Elsa is over the moon excited about them coming tomorrow and getting to give them something. She's only 2.5. But she is just so tickled with them. She loves trucks. And so when they come, she gets so excited. I love it. I get to watch her. My daughter will FaceTime me so that I can see her get excited when the truck comes and they beep the horn for her, and she just squeals and claps her little hands. She's so cute. But alright, everybody, this is my first project for this week. I hope that you like it. I absolutely had a blast making it. And I've got some Christmas tags to share with you in this next week. So keep your eye out for those videos, and I will be back as soon as I can. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all.